So today we are going to talk about these deep work virtues. Very, very simple. Something that I've compiled from this book. So deep work, you cannot immediately get into that deep work. It comes with practice. So don't be disappointed if you've decided to study for 2 continuous hours. Let's say you are sitting to listen the class only. So every class should be your deep work. But sometimes it may so happen that in between you may get some message, or something like that, wherein you may get disturbed also. But progressively your subconscious mind will tell you that even this learning has to be deep work. It has to be deep work, okay, and you will definitely get there one day. Yeah, so be kind on yourself, be patient on yourself, and ensure that this tell yourself that this deep work is also possible. You're going to practice deep work like a pro. Like a pro. Yeah, yes, my bro, you will be a pro. Now deep work is rare. Very few people do that deep work, and when you talk to people also, some people may find it crazy, very crazy. What is deep work? Everything you have to manage in life, everything comes, important phone call comes, those are all exceptions. But your Facebook notification, your WhatsApp messages, your chats with your Janu, all those things can wait in the deep work, right? And it is definitely valuable, because once you are focused, the output is definitely going to be great. Okay, next, deep work makes you a master. Obviously when you are focused, like what they say, 10,000 hours 10,000 hours of practice will make somebody legendary in a particular field. So same is deep work also. If you're continuously constantly practicing the same thing, definitely you will become a master in that one day. Next, deep work overcomes attention residue issues. What is attention residue? Okay, so it's like you are listening to this class, you're trying to listen to this class, even as you're watching this video, you might have got a ping or you might have got a call which you have silenced, and you're still listening to this class. So kudos to you, for giving up on that and focusing on the class. But that attention diversion that is there, that distraction for a fraction of a second, that is called attention residue. While you're doing one thing, you're focusing on the other thing. Normally it happens with ladies in the kitchen. While they're cooking something, parallelly they will think about something else. Attention residue. It happens with most of us. While we are giving a presentation, we are also thinking about what that client is thinking, what the boss is thinking, or what the team is thinking. So that attention residue is very, very important, and that will be reduced over a period of time with deep work. Next, deep work avoids multitasking at same time. So you should definitely do multitasking, but not at the same time. Are you getting it? So we have spoken about strategic time blocking, then day stacking, things like that, when we were doing the 5am club book. Now all those things are definitely needed. You have to stack the day, but you can't be doing everything at the same time. So it cannot be like you are exercising and at the same time you are doing the tax return. No, it doesn't go like that. I mean, schedule 1-2 hours for that, schedule some hours for this, schedule some hour for your family. Now everything has to go hand in hand. It cannot be multitasking cannot be done at the same time, especially if you're focusing on deep work. Yeah, if you're doing a shallow work, I'll do here, I'll do there, I'll do this also. Yeah, that is shallow work. That's not deep work. And finally, deep work produces speed and quality. Okay, absolute quality, and it will improve your speed also. That's why you see some of the leaders, they will not spend more time on the floor, because their focus is more on building the team, getting more business, understanding the team members, working on new products, new services. But when they are talking, when they are on the floor, less time but it will have more impact, right? So work on these 6 things. What are these virtues of a deep work? It comes with practice. So be patient and you will get into that deep work level, over a period of time. Next, deep work is rare and valuable. If you are practicing deep work, you are one of such rare individuals who is going to be a precious soul on this planet. Next, deep work makes you a master. Anything that you're working on and you're focusing consistently, it will definitely make you a master. And deep work overcomes attention residue issues. When you've decided, to go on a digital fast, we will talk in our next session. Digital fast means, fasting, quitting your social media and all. At least for that time, 1 hour, 2 hours, at least for that time, I'm not going to check my feeds. It will help you avoid those attention residue. Next, deep work avoids multitasking at same time. You should do multitasking, but not at the same time. And finally, deep work produces speed and quality. Okay.